I sat down with a person from Erica's team, and in that conversation, we talked about my business. And I was like, yeah, I'm kind of been averaging about 3K a month. However, I don't have consistency. And she's like, well, where are you getting all of your clients? And I said, mostly from referrals. It was about 80%. She's like, oh, well, if you do this program, you will be at 8K a month by October. And so I was like, wow, if that person's going to say to me that I'm going to be making $8,000 a month by October by doing this program, that's a pretty good guarantee. So I signed up and was immediately impressed with Erica's energy, how supportive both Erica and her team is. I did the work. Like I was like, okay, we're stopping everything else and we're just going to focus and simplify. When I started to call back my energy from all of these other things that I was focusing on, all of that energy went into that signature program. And my energy showing up on Instagram, pitching myself, to do workshops in the community, doing, podcasts with individuals, it became so clear. And I was so articulate about what I was able to support people with and the actual transformation. So even the program in itself, beyond even starting the marketing, as soon as I put all that energy into creating a signature program and actually had a strategy, my business completely shifted. I had worked in retail for 15 years. I was really successful. I was in a lot of strategy meetings. I thought I knew what I was doing when it came to business. But I've realized this year that everything I knew in that corporate world, some of it has been very, very beneficial, but being an entrepreneur definitely requires a different set of skills. And I really needed that marketing and strategy support, which, to be honest, with Erica's program, it was very clear. Her modules were like, okay, this is what you're going to focus on in this module, take the action, do the action, meet with one of the support coaches, get some clarity. And it felt like, well, one, I felt like I could do things on my own. And two, I can also get support. So having that strategy really shifted my business. And also just knowing that there was options outside of social media for me to attract clients made a huge difference. The external marketing piece, I was like, oh my gosh, why have I never thought of that before? Of course, external marketing, your social media is your internal marketing. And that was a big pivotal shift for me. I was putting all my energy in the internal marketing piece. And as soon as I shifted and was like, okay, this is where I want to focus and bring, new clients in or interest in from these external places. Honestly, I also just felt more confident. I felt like, oh, there's possibility here. I felt very hopeful, and that energy obviously transmuted into the business.
And did you hit your 8K by October?
So I actually hit 7K in August, and then I hit 9K in September, October, and November.
You were right on track.
Yeah. So a consistency, which actually I feel like that's one of the first things you asked me, Erica. I was like, I just really want consistency.
Yeah.
And it happened really quickly. It just required me to simplify, focus, and take action. And there's a lot of things I've listened to, signed up for, read over the last 3 years being in this business, and taking strategic action and taking imperfect action at times it's so important. There were so many times where I'm like, okay, I'm just going to work on my energy and magnetize everything to me. But there was this energy of like, I'm a doer. Like, I do stuff. I'm a manifesting generator. Like, I like to make lists. I like to make progress. I like to check things off my list, and I can't just sit here. So, being encouraged to take action and having an actual formula and strategy that's a proven method really was so, so helpful. Yeah, now I'm in Erica's Inner Circle. Tomorrow, I'm doing an event as I'm starting to scale my offer into a group program. And it really does feel just simplified. I think that's probably the easiest way to share it, is that now I have the foundation. It's so much easier to scale. It's so much easier to talk about. I'm not trying to figure out, okay, well, what course am I going to sell next? Or what's the next thing I'm going to have to launch? What's the next thing I'm going to have to offer? How am I going to change this so I can attract more people? No, like trust, believe in it, commit to your success. And there's so much possibility and so much magic that happens.
I love that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it takes away a lot of the noise and the feeling like you're just having to throw like spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. It gives you focus. And like you said, you're not constantly trying to utilize energy to create all of this content or to wonder how you're going to get your clients, and you're trying all these different things and they're not working. And then you end up being inconsistent and your energy is just drained. So I think that was the biggest thing for you was, like you said, pulling in your energy and creating this program